drink without sugar? Or you need sugar?
What sugar?
I want I want sugar. Sorry. Okay, we can drop by there. We can buy sugar. You miss coffee? Yeah, coffee. How was it?
Bigyan mo pa tayo niyan.
Too much sugar? I need sugar. Ay, hala.
Asukal?
Ay, oo nga. The sugar, I forgot. Brewed coffee.
Oh, di mo pala. May sugar yan?
Sorry. Sorry.
Pagkain niya.
I will buy there. Sugar. Ay, kaso di na malamig. It's not what breakfast. Like, you don't want that.
I don't know.
Pastry.
Yeah.
Bread.
Ano yung bakery? Ano yung kaluluwa niya? Oo,
Go to the bakery and they probably have sugar.
Oh my God, careful.
Amin na.
Wait,
Yeah.
pumapogi na nga siya eh. Wala. Enough? More?
Just aesthetic nila.
Sige, Ether.
But if you want more,
Tell to my mom.